Hey guys, we're back with another steering wheel video, and today, as you can see right here, we got a wide variety of different steering wheels, different customizations. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off from the right and move over to the left, because at the end I have a surprise or kind of like a sneak peek for you guys. So right here, starting off on the right, we have for the Honda Civics right here, as you can see. So what the customer went with this one, as I actually like the design, is they went with the 12 o'clock ring style. So it's purple 12 o'clock ring, as you can see. It's kind of hard, I know. Forged carbon as the material, purple leather. They went with purple regular carbon. They didn't go forge. Well, we actually don't offer forged right now in colors, so that's why they just went with the regular purple. And then they went with black stitching, and then as it has right here, the forged centerpiece. So you see right here. Again, this is for the Honda Civics. So this one's actually a pretty nice combination. I like this one. We have another Honda Civic. Exact same exact same car and year, not different part number, because that one was the 12 o'clock ring. This one, the customer went with LED version. So this one the customer got is LED, purple carbon fiber inlay, black leather, and purple stitching. So it's kind of like a reverse from that one right there. This one didn't come with the centerpiece because it is sometimes optional, because sometimes the customers don't want carbon centerpiece. They probably just want their original from the car. So yeah, so this is another Honda Civic. Next up, we got for a 2021 Ford Mustang. It's right here. We haven't had any Mustangs for a while. So another one customer went with is the forged carbon. This again, combination is pretty good. They went with the LED version. So it's LED, forged carbon for the material, forged carbon inlay, red leather and red stitching, and then it has the forged carbon center pieces, which right now they are loose, because when you guys install your airbags, once you install everything, it'll be tight on fit. So this one's pretty nice for all you Mustang lovers. For the Corvettes, we got for a Corvette C6 Corvette. This one customer went very simple: purple 12 o'clock ring, black carbon fiber, black leather, and purple stitching. No inlay, no centerpiece at all. So yeah, it's pretty weird how the C6 Corvettes is pretty wide for the bracket. And then next up, bringing into the modern age, we got the C8s. This one right here, as you see right here, this is the default style for the C8. Customer went with LED, black carbon fiber, black leather, red carbon inlay, and black red stitching. No, I almost said black. So you can see right there. So again, this is like our default. This is our default style. And for the next C8, what we got, and I gotta have a good handle on this one. Another C8, again, customer went with the LED version. You can see right there. With the color, they went with blue carbon fiber, blue carbon inlay, blue stitching. And then this one, the customer did order the center pieces, the center trims, you can see, which are also in blue. So I gotta kind of be careful, because again, these are loose. So when you guys are doing the installations, they're easy to come off. And then once you guys install it with all the controls and the airbag, it's perfectly fit. So right now they're just loose, so that's why I'm like holding them a bit perfect. But as you guys can see right there. We got the 2005 to 2010 Dodges, Chargers, Challengers, Chrysler 300s, and I think the Jeeps as well for this size. So this customer basically went with the LED version. You got purple carbon fiber, purple Alcantara. They went with black stitching, so I know it's gonna be kind of hard to see because of the purple and the black almost match. And in the center console area, they did go with purple carbon fiber as well. And again, for the 2005, 2010s, these ones are pretty heavy. Next up, Ram 1500, 2013 to 2018. And you can see this one is pretty nice looking. Customer with this one decided to go with the LED version and our honeycomb carbon fiber, which if you guys could kind of see, maybe you guys will have to zoom into the video. So the customer went with our honeycomb carbon fiber, yellow leather, yellow carbon fiber inlay, and then black stitching. It's right there. So again, this is for the Ram 1500, 2013 to 2018. So this is probably one of my other ones that I like in this one, especially the honeycomb design. The part numbers for these will be down in the video, or edited into the video, or also down in the description. So next up, and this is gonna be a little teaser for you guys, we have our production team send us the first sample of what it's gonna look. We have right here, we don't have a part number for it yet, but when we get the part number, this is gonna be down in the description below. We have the 12 o'clock ring style, default style, for the 2024 Mustang. I know you guys were asking us eventually if we were gonna have stuff for the new Mustangs yet. Well, here we do. We got a new steering wheel. Again, this is the 12 o'clock version, so the default style, you got the red 12 o'clock, black carbon fiber, black leather, red stitching, and then this one does come with the carbon fiber centerpiece. And it is a little bit heavier compared to the other Mustang that I held earlier. So the 2024 ones do have a little bit more weight to it for the brackets. So again, this is for the 2024 Mustang. The part number will be down in the description when we generate the new product number, because this is the sample. You know, we don't have these up yet, but once we get all the listing done, we take some photos, we take some videos, we'll start having the orders in for them. So that's about it. All right then guys, so that's about it for this steering wheel video. We had a wide variety. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Stay tuned for more products again in the video, installation videos, new updates and everything else, and we'll see you guys on next time. See ya.